All right, Perth Amboy. Let's check out the Marina section here. The Marina district. I'm telling you, in the summertime, this is such a great vibe here. People live right here and they love it. From what I know, they love it. This is a great spot to live, from what I know. You know, everybody's got their cup of tea, but you see, like, we're not going to focus too hard on it, but the homes there, they have the balconies outside, and it's definitely cool, very cool. But we're not going to focus on that, but I'm just saying it's very cool. Very cool. I've spoken to people who live here, and they just said when it's jumping, it's a lot of fun. Enslavement and transatlantic human trade. What is this? Okay, I'm not going to read all that, but you can screenshot it later or pause it. I'll check it out later. There's a lot of information there. A big piece of history, it looks like. Yeah, let's go down by the boats here. Wow, it feels so nice tonight. Whoa. The weather is super amazing. Let's explore around here. The waterfront of Perth Amboy. Oh, the ice cream. Okay, let's check out the ice cream spot. It's jumping. There's a big long line here. Time for the icy cream. Icy cream time. Now you feel like you're at the Jersey Shore a little bit. Over here. The icy cream. Got the Easter bunnies in there and all that. Okay, let's go this way.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a peek at the boats here. So peaceful. It's a little chillier down here, of course, with the water. But yeah, I got shorts on. The weather is so nice. All right, yeah, we're rocking the live stream and the 4K right now, same time. 4K. They're actually probably both 4K. What's up, man? So they're both HDR. The iPhone is HDR. I don't even know if it's 4K. I think it is. The iPhone I'm talking about. The Pocket 3 is definitely 4K, 100%. Little big guy. Front Street. It's a little too dark to see that, I think. It's talking about the colonial period, capital of East Jersey, shopping, ferry service, waterfront, business, residential, sprang into both sides. Okay, railroad 1850. Wow, cool. Some history. A lot of history. Good old Perth Amboy. City of History. That's wild. It says City of History right there. City of Future. They heard me speaking. Or I have ESPN. ESP, you know, I'm joking. ESPN. That's an old joke of mine. Okay, so You're not allowed to fish here. No fishing or crabbing in this area. No smoking. Wow. No smoking what, on the boats? No smoking right here or on the boats? I guess right here. I don't smoke, so for me it's okay, but I guess it's a bummer for people who smoke, but I don't like smoking. I don't like any smoke in the lungs. That's just my thing. No smoke in the lungs. Hopefully everyone can hear me okay. Checking the microphone. Seems okay. And we do have very good, from what I know, very good data on our live stream here, because I did switch to Xfinity, Verizon, the unlimited. We used to have the Cricket when I was walking around, the POV live streams, and yeah, it was kind of rough sometimes. And on the POV, everyone, so if you're watching from POV on the 4K, I moved the live streams over to the Brian channel, B-R-Y-A-N, Pibry, P-I-B-R-Y, instead of POV. And because for me, it just feels better to have it on there because it's me. You know what I'm saying? I'm live streaming. It just makes sense, kind of more sense to put the live streams on Brian. You get what I'm saying? The POV channel, we're putting 4K versions, high quality versions of everything on there, and definitely 4K versions of videos are going on the Brian channel also. So there's definitely, you know, building a different flavor on each, but I'm a walking creator. That's my niche. And to be honest, YouTube actually really likes it. From what I know, they like it when you pick a niche. I don't like the word, but I say category, niche, whatever you call it. So they actually like it when you pick a niche and you kind of go deep into that niche, that category. So that's what I am. I'm the walking guy, the walking creator, whatever you call it. And so yeah, it's just the channels are different flavors, I guess you can say, and you kind of want that a little bit, but it's all walking. Walking is walking, right? For the most part, that's what I do. I'm the walking guy. That's what I really like it. I think it's the best thing on YouTube, my opinion. I really think it's the best thing. You know, I used to watch a lot of walking channels, and I was like, wow, I really want to do that. That seems so cool. And then I seen, like, you know, Action Kid from New York City. You know, we're all kind of a tight-knit kind of thing, so I know a lot of them. But anyway, he was out there making a lot of videos, and I was probably doing them about the same time, just starting, and that was a good motivation for me. And I'm right here in this area in New York City, so. But wow, it's so windy. I better hold on to my hat. I'm not even kidding. My hat could seriously just go flying right now. If your hat goes flying in the water, you never get it back. And I got a very nice hat on right now. So let's just kind of peek at the outer bridge. I'm gonna make sure my hat doesn't fall off. Of course, it is a little nerve-wracking, the hat, and these things could go flying right now. I'm not even kidding. So I have to be careful. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Wow, it's so windy. It's great, but it's not great with all this stuff. I'm not even kidding. It's like, it feels like everything's gonna fly out of my hands. It's a little bit dangerous here with all this stuff. I gotta go. My iPhone feels like it's gonna fly right off of the gimbal. And if it does, it goes right into the water, maybe, who knows. We got a little glimpse of it though. I'm not even kidding, it's strong wind over there. Wow. But yeah, again, that's the outer bridge to Staten Island. Whoa, Toto Anti-M, wow. Not even kidding. I had to lower my hat because my hat looks like it's gonna fall. Let me see if I could do this real quick. I'm gonna stop the 4K for a second. Okay, yeah, let's go this way. Oh yeah, so they're washing it up here. Washing it up real good. Cool. All right, let's go this way. Yeah, summertime, this place gets so packed. This is like a banquet hall right here. There's a bar over here that gets jumping. I'm telling you, Perth Amboy is like low-key super cool. Low-key super cool right here. If you like the Latin vibes, this is the place. This is the place, Perth Amboy. Even if you don't, it's still the place. It's still a nice spot, for sure. But it is a Latin vibe kind of spot. Definitely. So out there we got all that. So, okay, so there's Staten Island. And this is Jersey, but way out there I see a lot of lights blinking. I don't think that's Manhattan, but it could be, because to my understanding Manhattan is that way, the way I'm pointing, a little bit that way, but I could be wrong because I believe Brooklyn is that way, the way I'm pointing. But when you're on the Jersey Shore, Brooklyn looks that way, so I believe Manhattan is that way, the way my hand is pointing. I don't have my compass on, but from where I live, I can see Manhattan and it looks like it's that way, but I don't know, because when you're driving, you twist and turn and it's really not the same exact direction as you think it is from somewhere else. But there are a lot of lights blinking way out there. Is that Manhattan? I don't know. I don't know. But you can definitely see Manhattan around here. In Sayreville over here. Sayreville is like where Bon Jovi's from. You probably heard of Bon Jovi. But Sayreville, you can see Manhattan pretty well. And then when you get up on Route 1 over here in Jersey, a little bit north, you can see Manhattan very well from Rahway. And that's near the Samsung dealer, which is a little bit north. Let's go over here a little bit. So this place gets really jumping in the summertime. Wow, gets so jumping here. They have banquet halls. So this is the Perth Amboy Armory, right? Built 1929. Extension added 1941. So yeah, they're getting ready for some kind of party, it looks like there. So that's pretty cool. The weather is gonna be nice soon. It's starting to get there. Tomorrow we're gonna have 40 degrees, but we'll be back up and down the weather. Uh-oh, hopefully everyone can hear me. Okay, good. I'm checking the sound on the live stream. Okay, looks fine so far. There's a lot of little setup that that's involved with the iPhone to the live streaming app, and I've had a little experience now, so I'm pretty good at it, I guess. But there's always some kind of, like live streams, there's usually some kind of issue with when it comes to live streams. Wow, my hat is ready to fly off here. Okay, I got my hat on tight now. I put it low. Hopefully it doesn't fly. I'm not so nervous about it flying here or concerned about it flying right here though, because it'll land on the ground, not in the water. That's what we like. So yeah, we got some music right here. And we like music, but we don't like it when we're on the video. Yeah, we can't. It's just not part of what we can do. Just how it is. So let's cruise over here. All right, good old Perth Amboy. Woohoo! Perth Amboy into his house. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's cruise up here. Yeah, we have festivals that happen here too in Perth Amboy. They're coming up pretty soon. The Puerto Rican, for the Puerto Rican Day. There's a big festival that happens here too. All right, so let me cruise. We got some copyright music. I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go. It's time to go. It's time to get going.